Hey everyone, again welcome to my channel and thanks for being here. So this is my part 2 video of the last video. If you haven't watched it, I'll put the iCard somewhere here so that you can see after this video. So this video is gonna be kind of like an analytical part and the educational part of this journey. So I listed down some of the points that I really think that it will be really helpful for you guys. So the number one thing that you should really do before starting a YouTube channel is just note down. Write a journal and just note it down, think of what are the things that you are already skilled enough. If you think that you are not skilled enough, then you can just think of what is the thing that you always help your friends with. What are the things that your friends come and seek help from you, whether it's for taking notes, whether it's for the self-development, if they sometimes comes you and for the advices that you give, that they are really impressed and they come back to you and ask for the motivations and the advices. That is also your skill. So list down all of the skills that you have right now and think of what are the things that you really love doing it, and what are the things that you really making it, you feel it and you get excited every time you get up and you want to make it, whether it's for cooking, whether it's for art, whether it's for dancing, singing, any kind of stuff. Write it down. Then just think of even if you don't get any views, or if you don't earn anything, if you don't get any views, likes, subscribers, you would still do for months and so this is the thing that you should be starting. So the number 2 is related to number 1. If you cannot find the number 1 at first, then what you can do is second is to experiment. Start with one thing at a time, then you can always experiment with that, and it's your liberty. You can do anything you want. Nobody is forcing you, and you are just starting and beginning out, and you are just in a phase that you are discovering yourself and knowing yourself better. So once you get into the place that you really want to be consistent with the one niche, then feel free to do so. So the number 3 is, once these things are fixed, not completely fixed, but once you get the vision of what your career will look like, what your dreams are, you can just consistently post, which is really hard, I know, but you have to do it. So the number 3 is basically you have to be consistent. I know it's really hard, but you have to do it. If you want to achieve something, or if you want to make habit of something, you have to do it persistently from day to end, so it will make a easy habit to do on. And it's even harder when you are so much into vanity metrics and you are so much into earning money. So the number 4 is always do competitor analysis. So what does that mean? If you, let's say you are a food blogger and travel blogger, so you have to at first do a competitor and the market analysis, where you have to search for and spy other competitors who are already well established and who have tons of contents, and you have to just spy on their contents, what kind of contents they make, what kind of keywords they use, what kind of titles they use, and what are the contents that got viral in their profile that made them grow. So what you have to do is try to replicate those things. Just listen me here. Do not copy exactly what they are trying to say. You can just replicate and make it how you can make it better, and how you can make it more understandable form and appealing and attractive. So basically you have to at least have 10 content ideas before you start your YouTube channel, and you have to just batch your content. So the number 5 is SEO, which means search engine optimization. And on YouTube, it is so much crucial. This is the number 1 factor that actually helped my account to grow. And you can learn this from Google, from YouTube. There are tons of informations and tons of tutorials how you can do it yourself. So with the help of SEO, whenever people used to search for a specific topic, then my video would rank higher and they would just watch my video. So you can also do it same on your YouTube channel to rank higher and get tons of views. So the another point is you have to always repurpose your contents. And there is this one video that I have explained it well, how I got viral from Pinterest to YouTube. So basically, once you create a content for YouTube, you can share it on Pinterest, blogs and TikToks, everywhere. You just have to make some tweaks and some changes and make it in the format that the platform is used to, and then definitely your content will be seen by your targeted audiences. So the last one is never give up. Even if you don't know anything about it right now, there is always free resources out there. If you have cell phone, if you have internet and laptop, you are access to everything that is online right in front of your eyes. If you don't know how to get tons of likes, how to get views, how to make better contents, how to make SEO algorithm work for you, anything, just go online, go to YouTube, go to Google and search and learn from there and apply while you're doing it, and start sharing those things that you learned, and it will eventually make you grow. And honestly, people will appreciate your effort and your hard work. The reason they will like you is because you are solving their problems and you are making their life better for no reason, right? So that's the really a power of social media and this online marketing stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and these were the few tricks and tips that I used during this journey. And once I hit another milestone, I'll make more in-depth and elaborated form. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed, and stay safe. Bye bye.